So why am I sitting here with a little dog trying to do a video for you concerning a 3-day workshop with business? Well, the little dog wouldn't stop barking, so I thought to calm her down by letting her out and, in this case, be in my face. Now, why am I talking about this little dog and talking to you about business? This weekend, we're going to be hosting a 3-day workshop. And the 3 days are going to be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 3 p.m. Eastern Time. So you need to plan for it for those who are interested. This 3-day workshop is basically the gods of business. You utilizing what you know to take your business to the next level, to maximize your business. What we're going to be doing is taking the law of assumption and begin applying it to our business using the teachings of Neville and other teachers. We're going to take those teachings and begin to apply them to our lives. This workshop is going to be $197. Now, if you say that $197 is expensive, or you're hemming and hawing about the price point, this workshop is not for you. If you have financial concern and it's a strain for you, this workshop is not for you. This workshop is for those who can afford $197 to invest in themselves, to begin using the law of assumptions and becoming the next Jay-Z, Bill Gates, Warren Buffett. You have to begin first and foremost seeing yourself as being great, and you have to live from a place of greatness. Even this workshop for me is something that's been pushed out for many months, and Spirit said take action now. So I'm being obedient, and what I want to do is help you also begin to be obedient to what it is that you've been called to do. So again, if you think that this workshop is for you, go to DeCarloEskridge@gmail.com. Again, DeCarloEskridge@gmail.com. You notice I'm not offering any type of bonuses. I'm not offering any types of gifts. My actual coaching session, one single coaching session, would cost more than this 3-day workshop. I value my time, but more so, I value your time. I'm going to give you things that I know that's going to impact your life and your business. If you believe that this workshop is for you, your question to me should be, Coach, how can I sign up? And you send that to me by going to DeCarloEskridge@gmail.com. If you're thinking that the price point's too high, if you got all these other questions, this workshop is not for you. I stress, this workshop is not for you. But for the first 10 people that sign up, I'm going to be offering those 10 people a 30-minute coaching session. So again, that's the bonus. I'm not offering anything else because I know that the workshop in itself is well worth it. So this is not for everybody. And nor am I reaching out to everybody. I'm really reaching out to those who are trying to grow their business, those who are looking at starting a business, or those who are frustrated in their current job and saying, I want to do something else, but let me give this a try. But if $197 is a stretch for you, please don't sign up. Go through all my free material, and we have hundreds of hours on YouTube. So go through that free material and begin focusing on that. Again, this is for serious people that have 3 days to improve their lives. Again, the 3 days are going to be the 19th, the 20th, and the 21st. That's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It's going to be at 3 p.m. Eastern Time. If this is something that you believe is for you, sign up. And if not, don't. Thank you. This is Coach DeCarlo saying have a great and abundant day.